Hello everybody, welcome back to the Drunken Sailor Cocktail Channel. I am Bill the Drunken Sailor if you've never been here before. And well, today is my favorite day of the week. It's a day that we call Fan Friday. If you haven't seen it before, this is the day that we make the cocktail that you ask us for. Well, this past week, something strange happened. Never happened before on the channel. We actually had two folks request the same cocktail. Never happened before, so this must be the cocktail we have to make today. Now, with St. Paddy's Day right around the corner, we couldn't have had better timing for it. Mike Costell and Pink Sparkle both weren't quite so sure about the lemon meringue pie martini we made last week. So they said, we want Key Lime Pie Martini. Now, Key Lime Pie happens to be Florida's state pie, and it's kind of green, isn't it? So have a seat at the bar and join me. We're going to go through the steps and make a Key Lime Pie Martini. Let's get pouring. Let's get the ball rolling by going over the ingredients for this one. We're using 3 different liqueurs in here. Actually, the first one is coconut rum. We're going to follow that up with Licor 43. So we've got coconut flavors, now we've got vanilla and a whole bunch of different spices in there. And we're going to add some more citrus in there by adding some Cointreau. We're going to follow that up. We've got freshly squeezed lime juice. If you've got key limes, use them. If you don't, well, you're going to get stuck with a regular lime like we did. And then, of course, some cream, because that's what makes this one a delicious, creamy dessert cocktail. We're going to build this one in a mixing glass. And my first ingredient going in there is going to be freshly squeezed lime juice. As I said, if you've got key limes, go ahead and use them. They're tiny, you got to squeeze a lot of them. We're going to only use 1/2 ounce though. Now, this makes it pretty tart. If you want, you can add a little bit more if you find that it's not tart enough for you. Normally, we'd go and put our non-alcohol ingredients in first, but I want to wait to put that cream in last. If I put the cream in right after that citrus, it's going to start to curdle on us, and you may not like that. We're going to follow that up with some more of that citrus flavor in there. We're using Cointreau. It's going to go with 1/2 ounce. Our next is Licor 43. Once again, vanilla and citrus notes in there, 1/2 ounce. We're going to put in there 1.5 ounces of the coconut rum. I'm using Cruisin' today. Now what I want to do is I want to put that ice in there. So we're going to start to chill it down. Once we've got that iced up, and now we're going to put in there our cream. And we're going to use 2 ounces of cream in there. Now that I've got everything in that glass, let's pop the top on it and give it a shake, because now we're making pie. Good 10 to 15 shake. We've got it nice and cool down. I know you're still not convinced. Key lime pie for St. Patrick's Day, it's got green stuff in it, those limes. We checked with the Leprechauns Union. They said, go ahead, you can do it. Now, we've had a coupe glass that's chilling off to the side, filled with ice, filled with water. We're going to dump that out. And now we pour. So we're going to fill that coupe right up. It's creamy, it's citrusy. And now for our final step in there, we're going to garnish this. I'm going to start with some whipped cream. You got to have pie with whipped cream, don't you? Give it a shake, and we're just going to put a little bit on the top. Key lime pie always has a graham cracker crust, so we're going to take some crumbled graham crackers, sprinkle those across the top, and our final step to this garnish is we are going to take a lime wheel. We've got it sliced along the side. We're going to drop that in the glass, and there, Mike, Pink, the Key Lime Pie Martini. Let's give this one a taste and see how they did. That is tart, but it's smooth, it's citrusy, it's delicious. It is, I think it's going to have the Leprechaun seal of approval on this one. It is definitely dessert in a class. So make sure you enjoy one. Watch the whipped cream on your face and let me know, what cocktail do you want to see for the next Fan Friday? Cilantro, everybody.